Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the flash for your camera on your Google Pixel 9 device. Now this works on the Pro and XL models as well, so let's get into it. If this video is valuable for you, I do appreciate any thumbs up you can throw my way, so thank you in advance. Okay, so we want to go ahead and open our camera app on our device. Once we go ahead and do that, down here in the bottom left corner, you're going to see a little gear icon. Just go ahead and tap on that. And then you're going to see a section called More Light. It's the very first section right under the General tab. And yours will likely be set to none. So just go ahead and tap that little lightning bolt or flash icon. And once you do that, the flash will be activated. You can go ahead and tap on the screen to back out, and then we can take a photo and see what happens. And as you can see, the flash is active and it is being used by the camera now. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.